Hi, it's Chuck. Welcome to the show. It's another weekend. You know what that means? It's brew day. This is Jelly Bean, the brewery cat. Say hi, Jelly Bean. Today we're brewing a Vienna Lager. It's my first time and tried recipe. We'll see how it goes. Jelly Bean, say hi. Right now we're mashing. This is the beta rest, 144 degrees. For about an hour. Looking for a little bit of a drier beer, according to the style, and the best way I knew that, so do the beta rest. From here, we're going to go to a 30-minute alpha rest at 154 degrees or 156. I don't remember, but either way, there's a mash. And I bought this cool little 4-gallon coffee maker. That's my hot liquor tank. It works. And while we're brewing today, let's see, that's a stout in the stainless steel. And then we have a hard seltzer there to the immediate right. And the third one, in the second bucket there, is a honey kolsch. So about the second or third time I've made that one. It's a hit. Called it the Uncle Bill, named after my uncle, who coincidentally died the day I made my first one, so it's an homage. So now let's take a look at the recipe. But before that, let's talk about this beer. This is a hazy IPA that I made recently, called Hazy Sunshine. Got aroma in the orange juice / peach family, and then tastes like I don't know, maybe tangerine, grapefruit, but here we go. Our grain bill consists of 4 pounds of Breeze Brewer's malt. That's just regular plain old 2-row. We have 3 pounds of Bark Vienna malt, 3 pounds of Carapils Carafoam, 8 ounces of aromatic Munich, 8 ounces of yellow corn, 3 ounces of dark chocolate malt. We will start our mash at 144 degrees, which will last for 1 hour. I'll increase my temp to 156 degrees for 30 minutes with a 10-minute mash out at 170 degrees. At that time, we will add 1 ounce of Pearl for first wort hops. We will add another ounce of Pearl with 20 minutes left to boil. And then after the boil, we'll do a 10-minute hop stand with 1 ounce of Hallertau. We'll be using Fermentus W3470 Safe Lager, fermenting at around 65 degrees because it can handle a little bit higher temperature. They will do a 24-hour diacetyl rest at 75 degrees, and then we'll begin the lagering process for at least a month. This is a completely untested recipe, so let's see how it goes. So, Jelly Bean decided it was time to take a break. I guess she was a little bored and burned out, so yeah. Get it. So our 60-minute timer went off, which means it was time to increase the temp to 156 degrees. Had a little trouble with the camera there for a minute. That's already been done. Now we're waiting for it to get up to temp. And then we're going to set the timer again for another 30 minutes at 156 degrees. Now that we're up to temp, it's time to progress our timer and start our 30-minute alpha rest. There we go. Time for mash out. And we are heating our kettle to 170 degrees. Once we get there, we'll set the timer again for another 10 minutes. So now my 10-minute mash out is complete. I've increased the temperature to just under boil. And I'm adding my first wort hop addition. This is 1 ounce of pearl. I can't use my tripod anymore. Jelly Bean knocked it in the floor and broke it, so here we are. We are almost to a boil. Sorry I couldn't show you the sparge because, of course, like I said, Jelly Bean broke my little mini tripod, so you gotta suffer along with this. We're starting to get a little bit of a hot break, and in about 40 minutes, we're going to add our 20-minute hop addition. So, see you then. So, our home theater system occupies the same space as the brewery, and my wife came and decided to watch some TV during the middle of my Vienna Lager brew day, so I wasn't able to shoot any more video. However, we'll kind of walk through what happened after that. As we continued to follow the recipe, of course, we did the 20-minute hop addition. Later, after the boil, we did a 10-minute hop stand with 1 ounce of Hallertau. And then we chilled the wort and began fermentation. It fermented for 2 weeks at about 65 degrees. That's a little high for a lager, but using the 3470 makes it a little more doable. After that, brought it up to 75 for diacetyl rest, and then it lagered until yesterday. And this is that makes it about 6 weeks, I believe. And kegged it, and we will begin force carving later this evening, and then we'll get to the taste test. Stay tuned. Thanks. Hey, if you made it all the way through this video, I appreciate it. If you liked it, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and please subscribe. We need subscribers really, really bad. Thanks.